did something unthinkable this morning. I argued with my alarm clock, and guess what? I lost. Beep, beep, beep. Time to wake up. Number, absolutely not. You don't own me. I decide when I wake up. Okay, cool, but you're gonna be late to life. Late to life? That's when it hit me. My alarm clock isn't my enemy. It's my unpaid life coach trying to help me not be a walking potato. So, today I got up, I showered, I brushed my teeth with my eyes open, and I even made coffee before checking Instagram. Wild, I know. The moral of the story, so next time your alarm screams at you like it owes you money, say thank you and start your day like the boss you are. Also, don't fight inanimate objects. You'll never win. Trust me, I tried arguing with my fridge once. Still no snacks.